In this tutorial in CyberLink PowerDirector, we'd like to give you a brief overview of the Minimalist title pack. It's a brand new release as an add-on, and it's free for those of you who are subscribers of PowerDirector 365. There is a cost if you're not and want it. It's about $50 US. What we'd like to do is give you an overview of the 30 title options you see on your screen, and then we're going to have a bit of commentary as we start and then let it play without commentary after that. The title pack starts with options. If you notice on the first one here, you're going to see you can change the font style, font color, title position, and title scale. We'll do that in this example. But you cannot change the color of the yellow border, which is part of this package. When you look at them, you cannot opt for only an opening or closing animation. You must use both.